In this video, I'll guide you through how to create meetings on Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information to fill out so your meetings are properly tracked and easy to find later. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual Zoho account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Zoho CRM home screen or dashboard. This layout can vary slightly depending on your role and permissions, but the core navigation will be the same. Next, look toward the main navigation area, usually at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see different modules like leads, contacts, deals, and so on. You're looking for the option labeled Activities. Go ahead and click Activities. This is the central place in Zoho CRM where you manage your calls, tasks, and meetings. So it's useful to get comfortable with this section. Once you're inside the Activities module, you'll notice different tabs or filters for each type of activity. Find the tab that says Meetings and click on it. This switches your view so that you're only seeing meeting-related records, which keeps everything organized and easier to manage. If your list is already populated, you might see upcoming or past meetings here, but for now, we're going to focus on creating a new one. Now that you're on the Meetings view, look for a button that says Create Meeting. This is usually placed near the top of the page, often highlighted to stand out as a primary action. Click Create Meeting to open the meeting creation form. This is where you'll define all the details of the meeting you're scheduling. On the meeting form, start by entering the key meeting information. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title so you and your team can recognize it at a glance. For example, something like Discovery Call with Client or Quarterly Review. Then set the date and time. Make sure the time zone is correct, especially if you or your attendees are in different locations. You'll also typically see fields for duration, location, or meeting link. If the meeting is in person, you can add a physical location such as a conference room or office. If it's virtual, paste in the video call URL from your preferred meeting platform. It's helpful to use the description or notes area to briefly outline the agenda, goals, or anything participants should prepare in advance. Most setups will also let you associate the meeting with a related record, such as a contact, account, or deal. Linking the meeting to the right record ensures that all communication is tracked in one place, which is especially valuable for sales and account management teams. Take a moment to double-check everything: the title, date, time, attendees, and any linked records. When you're happy with all the information you've entered, look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the form and click Save. Zoho CRM will create the meeting record and add it to your activities under Meetings. That's all there is to it. You've now created a meeting in Zoho CRM and it's stored, trackable, and visible to your team according to your permissions.